Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best ice scrapers for cars on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is AstroAI 27-inch snow brush and detachable ice scraper. Here's an original, a stalwart, the OG. Millions of these sticks with a brush on one end and a scraper on the other have found their way into back seats and trunks across the nation. Well, at least the colder parts of it. This take on the breed includes a buckle at the halfway mark to split the stick in half, allowing users to deploy simply the scraper end if they so desire. That feature also makes it easier to store the thing in your car's cargo area. Ample padding exists not just on your author's post-Christmas gut but also on the handle of the scraper for extra comfort. Pros: time-tested design, comfy handle. Cons: the breakaway buckle could be a weak point. Number 2. Our second best pick is RevHeads Ice Scraper. If you're fortunate to live in an area of the country where several inches of snow is a rarity, there's a solid chance you just need the scraper part of a snow brush and not the entire thing in its space hoovering enormity. This diminutive but mighty tool is just the ticket. The business end of these scrapers all look quite similar, but the seller alleges one side is better for scraping while the other is good for breaking up larger accumulations of ice. The broad and flat leading edge should do the trick on thin layers of ice or freezing rain. Plus, how can you not like a company which promotes spending less time freezing your butt off? Pros: compact size, 10% off the next one. Cons: you're out of luck when real snow falls. Number 3. Our third best pick is Better Stuff Handheld Ice Scraper. Tent-shaped and molded in a natty teal color, this thing is purported to scrape and clear your car's windshield in one fell swoop. Its leading edge is intended to slightly deform and bend to match your windshield's curvature, permitting constant contact with the glass surface. Allegedly, its unique shape is ergonomically designed to prevent hand and wrist strain, though we'll let you decide if that is an actual feature or marketing fluff. Small and compact, it easily stows away in a glove box or storage bin. Pros: funky shape, stores just about anywhere. Cons: reports of minor glass scratching. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Snow Joe 2-in-1 Snow Broom. This unit is virtually identical to the ones we used to clear cars at the dealership so many years ago. Its firm foam head, make your jokes here, shouldn't scratch a car's paintwork, something that is at risk of happening with a traditional snow brush and its plastic stiff bristles. One feature our units didn't have was a handy ice scraper on the opposite end of its handle. Also, thanks to a cheap-as-dirt dealer principle, our brushes had sawed-off broomsticks for handles. This thing has interlocking extension poles which extend from 33 inches to 52 inches in length. Pros: foam snow remover, dandy ice scraper. Cons: visions of having to clear a lot full of Fords. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Trazen 27-inch snow brush, ice scraper and foam for cars. With this winter car kit, you won't be caught empty-handed if it had snowed heavily all night. Use this car snow scraper and brush to clean all the snow and ice that prevents you from getting into the car. The item is 27-inch long to give you a perfect reach to your car, even an SUV or truck. Its 8.3-inch brush head and 4.4 snow scraper cover great space of your vehicle at once, ensuring faster cleaning. Drive safely having a clear vision of the road through car windows. Made to perform. This snow scraper with a brush feels solid in your hand and holds up to low temperatures, heavy snow, and thick ice. An aluminum body is strong to withstand the load yet lightweight enough to ensure convenient cleaning. Durable plastic is securely attached to avoid falling off. Our ice scrapers for car windshields are ruthless to ice but gentle to the vehicle exterior. The PVC brush bristles remove snow at a glance and get even to hard-to-reach places with ease. compact to be stored anywhere. Carrying all winter car accessories might be a tall order, especially if they are bulky. You'll have no issues with storing this snow brush for your car, even when you are driving a Smart 4, as it will occupy a little space in the trunk or inside of your auto. Since the brush and scraper can be easily detached, the item is smaller than the first aid kit. Thanks to this, you can store the snow brush under your front seat or a side door compartment. Brushing off snow and scraping out ice might bring lots of discomfort or even pain. But not with this ice scraper and snow brush. This snow removal tool is equipped with a convenient handle that will allow you to do the cleaning thing easier. As it's covered with foam grip wrap, the handle is pleasant to the skin, won't freeze to your hands, and is comfortable to hold and use even for an extended period of time. It isn't susceptible to breaking and cracking. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.